I often tell my team, okay, sama ada the coaching team ataupun the others, that we can't possibly teach something that we don't practice. Kalau kita ni sekadar ambil teori sini sana, buku yang kita baca ataupun videos yang kita tengok ataupun based on courses that we attend, it might not be ingrained in us. So it might not be practices. Okay. Jadi kita hanya boleh mengajar apa yang kita betul-betul practice, apa yang kita betul-betul faham. Dan ini juga satu cara untuk kita nak develop the learning methodology in our business. Okay, so same with doctors and your team. So kalau kita imagine a triangle, if you can imagine a triangle, okay, the top smaller triangle tu is katalah 10%, okay, and the below one, okay, is kata 90%. So kalau kita sekadar dengar, okay, dengar macam hari ni lah, you dengar, okay, I'm talking about all these things. Hope you're taking some notes as well. You dengar, okay, tapi you sekadar dengar saja. You will probably get 10% of what I'm sharing. Okay. Tapi kalau you take notes, okay, and tomorrow, for example, okay, you start digesting and start, understanding, trying to understand what I mean, what I explain, and then you explain balik kat somebody else. So that means you are teaching somebody else. Okay, that is when you actually learn the most. Okay, so sebab tu kita biasa mungkin pernah dengar tak, doktor pernah dengar tak pepatah, the teacher learns most. Okay, I think this you can also appreciate being a doctor. Bila masa belajar part teori tu, kita rasa macam kita tahu, tapi bila kita contohnya first time draw blood for example kan, dia rasa macam kekok. Tapi kita dah belajar, because yang kita belajar tu teori. Okay, the smaller percentage. But when you actually do, that is when the real learning happens. Okay, so when you teach, we are actually learning. So the teacher learns the most. Okay.